decided to do something for the end of the year and put together just all my makeup favorites that I'm totally bringing into the new year with me. 2019, like, can you believe this? It seems like the older that I get, the years just seriously fly by. These products that I'm about to share are seriously like my ride or dies throughout all of 2018. I'm obsessed with these products. I reach for them pretty much like every time that I just do like a whatever makeup look when I'm not filming or trying out something new. These are my babies. I went ahead and filmed this whole makeup look using these products, so as I go through each one, I'll show a little side clip of me applying it and how I use it. So yeah, let's just get right into it. The first product is Wonder Glow by Charlotte Tilbury, and this is an instant soft focus beauty flash primer. At first, I didn't think I was gonna like this primer. Anything with glow in it and oily skin, I'm like, I don't know. I feel like it gives a really pretty sheen to the skin before you apply your makeup, and it also gives a little bit more moisture. And I don't know, I've been loving being a little bit dewier skin before I apply my matte foundations. So yeah, I use the shit out of this primer in 2018. This baby is kind of on the pricier side, but I love it. Why is that? All the good stuff is just like really expensive, it seems like. Next up is foundation. I cannot put down this Frankie Rose Matte Perfection foundation. This is my baby. I love this foundation. I feel like if you have oily skin, you need to try this. It just gives like the best matte finish to my skin. So I highly recommend this to anyone with oily skin. My ride or die concealer is for sure the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This concealer covers so good, and I not only use it to conceal, I use it as a contour in a darker shade. I use it as a primer for my eyelids, and I also use it to carve out my eyebrows when I want them looking really fleeky. It works really good with my oily skin. It doesn't break up. This shit right here, you need it. Setting powder. I kind of have a setting powder obsession a little bit. I try a bunch of them. Maybe it's because of my oily skin and I like to see what works. But my favorite that I always reach for in 2018 is the Tarte Shape Tape setting powder. This stuff works so good, and I think in conjunction with the Shape Tape concealer, they work so good. It's like a match made in heaven. I loved it in 2018, and I am for sure gonna be using this in 2019, like for show. A bronzer I just could not stop using in 2018 is the Film Star Bronze and Glow palette from Charlotte Tilbury. It is a bronzer and highlight duo. I use it because it acts as a contour and a bronzer, which I love something that's like multifunctional. I don't really have much to say about it other than I love it. Okay, so I used to love highlighter, and I mean, I still do, don't get me wrong, but this product changed my life. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in the shade Glow. I use this the same way I would a highlighter, and it just gives the most subtle and beautiful glow to the skin. And I don't just put it on my cheekbones, I put it like on my forehead, my chin, and then if I want a more intense highlight, I put another highlighter on top, and the one that I have been obsessed with is this one by Pixi, and it is their Pixi Glow. This is such a pretty highlight, but them two together is just really beautiful and pretty subtle. I'm not all about like that super stark highlight anymore. I just like a really pretty natural glow. So these two together, I have just been using totally nonstop. So yeah, favorite highlights. It was so hard for me to pick a favorite eyeshadow palette for 2018, but I kind of like went through all my palettes and I was like, what one do I always reach for and that I've used the most? And it for sure is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette that came out this year. It just has like my shades in it. I love all the colors in it, and they're so easy to work with. The shimmer shades are really beautiful. I love the black in here because it is like really black. I don't know, I think this is just a really good palette, especially if you like are in the market for a palette and you don't know which one to get because there are so many out there. I would for sure go for this one because you have everything you would need in here. It's just really good, really, really good. My favorite eyeliner of the year has for sure been this Eddie Funkhauser eyelining stylus. This is just so amazing. I discovered this in probably September, so a little late this year, but I cannot use anything else. Like, this eyeliner is so freaking good. I could do a wing with no problem. It's a felt tip applicator and it's just really easy to work with. This thing got me through Halloween and it rocked all of my looks and it's still going strong. This is like the only one that I've had since September and I use it almost every day. If you're looking for a good eyeliner, I would for sure recommend this one from Eddie Funkhauser. It does not disappoint. It is so good. For mascara, my favorite has for sure been by Bare Minerals. This is the Lashtopia mascara. I feel like this mascara just does absolute wonders for my eyelashes. It makes them just so long and beautiful. It makes them super long, but also gives it a lot of volume. So yes, this mascara, my baby. For lashes, I cannot stop using the iconic lights from House of Lashes. These lashes are just so pretty. They're dramatic, but not like too dramatic. I'm just obsessed with these lashes. I don't really know a lot to say about them other than you need them in your life. Like, go get them now. And finally, for lips, my favorite lip combo of 2018 is Faux Show, a nude lip. I'm all about colors, but for like all the time, every day, I'm totally a nude lip girl, and the one that I was obsessed with and cannot stop using, it is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Liner and Lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. This has been just my go-to lip like pretty much every single day. It's a nude pink and I'm so all about the nude pinks. It's just a really pretty like universal shade for anybody. So I love this for the lips, and then I apply a gloss, and this is by Kylie Cosmetics and it is a So Cute gloss. In 2018, I was all about a glossy lip. Like, I'm so over the matte freaking lips. Like, I'm so done with that. I just don't have time to have like crusty dry lips. I don't know, I feel like a gloss is just where it's at. It makes your lips just look so like sexy and voluptuous. I was so all about glossy lips this year, and I'm for sure gonna be bringing those glossy lips into 2019. So that was my favorite lip combo of 2018. So those were all my makeup favorites that I was loving in 2018. I cannot believe this year is already over in just like a couple days. It's just been such an amazing year. 2018 was just a kick-ass year, like for me, like growing as a person. I feel like it was a good year, and yes, there were some bad times. There's always going to be bad times, but the good for sure outweighed the bad this year, and I'm so thankful for that. And I'm so thankful for anybody that found me in 2018. Hey girl, hey! I made so many friends this year through blogging, and I'm just so thankful for you guys. Like, you guys rock, and I can't wait to make new friends in 2019 and just see like where life takes me in 2019. I'm like really excited, and I can't wait for the new year. So that's pretty much all I have to say for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video next year. Peace out, hippies.